Boom, boom, boom.
You don't have to clap, Ryelynn. Just move the stuff. This is my fat baby. Instead of crawling, she wants to scoot. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Stop, Ryelynn. Seriously. Come on.
She crawled her so much.
This is my scooter. Her
Let
fat
it
self
rain, let it
scoots.
rain. Ah.
What were you saying? What were you saying?
More like my pooper.
What were you saying?
Let it rain?
Do you know what that means?
No.
You don't? You don't know what it means?
Mm.
You're gonna let it rain with $1?
Yeah.
Tell me what you think it means.
I don't know. Means you have a lot of money?
Okay.
That's what girls on the strip do.
What? Come here. That's what girls wear do?
On the strip do.
Like on the strip in Las Vegas?
Uh-huh. You know Las Vegas is crazy.
Yeah, so what exactly girls on the strip, like where the casinos are, right?
Yeah.
They do what? What is
Make
it?
it rain.
They make it rain? What, the money?
Uh-huh.
So what does that mean? They just like get money and just
I don't know. That's all I know. That's all Drayden said to me.
the girls on the strip do that? Drayden's the one that said that to you?
Oh, you tell it from him.
Drayden!
This dollar is a lemonati. It has this on it. See that?
It's a lemonati?
Yeah. See that?
Do you know what lemonati is?
You crawl from all
It's bad.
Oh, okay. Did you tell Ryelynn that
No, remember? when
girls
we
on the
went
strip,
down here?
the girls on the strip make it rain? Oh. Do you know what making it rain means? Because apparently, okay. Well, we're not gonna, you really do know? Okay.
What does it mean?
Well, no. You don't need to know what it means. You just don't need to say it, okay? Okay? If you don't know what something means, you shouldn't say it, okay? Do you understand me?
Mm-hmm.
Look at me. I'm saying, do you understand me?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Boom, boom, boom.
Thank you. No more making it rain.
You gotta look